Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome to my channel Light for Blind. This video is about most important and repeated question of political science in Punjab Public Service Commission test. Now start the video. Number 46. Pakistan joined United Nations on. Answer is 30th September 1947. Number 47. Total members of Senate of Pakistan is. Answer is 104. Number 48. Who wrote Myth of Independence? Answer is Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Number 49. Quaid-e-Azam joined All India Muslim League in. Answer is 1913. Number 50. The first movement launched against British in India was. Answer is Swadeshi movement. Number 51. In which year Urdu-Hindi controversy was started? Answer is 1867. Number 52. In which year Minto Morley reforms were introduced in India? Answer is 1909. Number 53. Stanley Wolpert is the author of. Answer is Jinnah of Pakistan. Number 54. Al-Farabi was author of. Answer is Al-Madinatul Fazilat. Number 55. Allama Iqbal did his MA in philosophy from Government College Lahore in the year. Answer is 1899. Number 56. Kimya-e Saadat was written by. Answer is Imam Ghazali. Number 57. The theory of group mind was enunciated by. Answer is Ibn Khaldun. Number 58. Reconstruction of religious thought in Islam was written by. Answer is none of these. Number 59. Who brought constitutional theory of Islam in the line with political reality of his time? Answer is Al-Mawardi. Number 60. The Greek philosopher Plato died in. Answer is 347 BC. Number 61. In which year Treaty of Westphalia ending the 30 Years' War was signed? Answer is 1648. Number 62. Glasnost means. Answer is reconstruction. Number 63. In which year World War II ended? Answer is 1945. Number 64. In which year General Assembly of the United Nations adopted the Universal Declaration of Human Rights? Answer is 1948. Number 65. Who is known as the Iron Lady? Answer is Margaret Thatcher. Number 66. German attack on Poland was the immediate cause of. Answer is World War II. Number 67. The strategic rivalry between the British Empire and the Russian Empire for supremacy in Central Asia is termed. Answer is the Great Game. Number 68. The Soviet Union was dissolved in. Answer is 1991. Number 69. The slogan "No taxation without representation" was the first raised during American Revolution in. Answer is Boston Tea Party. Number 70. Which is not an official language of United Nations? Answer is German. Number 71. In UN, which country does not possess veto power? Answer is Germany. Number 72. How many judges are members of the International Court of Justice? Answer is 15. Number 73. How many members SARC has? Answer is 8. Number 74. The first summit of SARC was held in. Answer is Dhaka. Number 75. The member of NAFTA are. Answer is Mexico, Canada, US. Number 76. Under which amendment in 1990 the US suspended all economic aid and military assistance to Pakistan? Answer is Symington. Number 77. In which year Crim's mission came in India? Answer is 1942. Number 78. John Locke wrote the book. Answer is Two Treatises of Government. Number 79. The Montesquieu wrote the book. Answer is Persian Letters. Number 80. Grammar of Politics was written by. Answer is Lasky. Number 81. The Social Contract was written by. Answer is Rousseau. Number 82. Indian Independence Act was passed on. Answer is 18th July 1947. Number 83. What was the total number of princely states in the subcontinent during British rule? Answer is 635. Number 84. Objectives resolution was passed on. Answer is 12 March 1949. Number 85. Life of presidential ordinances. Answer is 4 months. Number 86. Retirement age of Supreme Court judges. Answer is 65 years. Number 87. Indus Basin Treaty was signed in. Answer is 1960. Number 88. When was Balochistan given the provincial status? Answer is 1970. Number 89. Pakistan shares her eastern border with which country? Answer is India. Number 90. Popularity of Ibn Khaldun relates to which subject? Answer is Sociology. Number 91. Politics was written by. Answer is Aristotle. Number 92. Who propounded patriarchal theory? Answer is Sir Henry Maine. Number 93. Thomas Hobbes was the exponent of. Answer is absolute sovereignty. Number 94. World War first started in. Answer is 1914. Number 95. Tashkent Declaration was signed in. Answer is 1966. Number 96. Who was the second Prime Minister of Pakistan? Answer is Khaja Nazimuddin. Number 97. When was one union established in Pakistan? Answer is 1955. Number 98. Length of Pak-Afghan border is. Answer is 2252 km. Number 90. Pakistan joined non-aligned movement in. Answer is 1979. Number 100. In which year Sir Syed Ahmad Khan established the MAO College? Answer is 1877.